Hi techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play background sounds on your iPhone, similar to the Mac tutorial in the last video. Let's see how this works this time. It may be different, but let's see. To do this, go right into settings and then click Control Center. And now add herein. Now swipe down and make sure background sounds is on. Now click background sounds. And now you can select the background sound that you want to listen to, like the ocean, rain, stream, or others. That's real cool, isn't it? It sure is. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.